heard that Nairobi is actually the New York of Africa. To understand why Nairobi is the New York of Africa, I need to view it from above. Going up there to actually get the views of Nairobi. Spend the day with me as a Ugandan touring Nairobi, Kenya. I don't know what to expect. I want to try using a matatu for the first time. You are allowed to smoke in this park publicly. This is interesting. Can you guys see the artwork on the wall? Welcome to Two Rivers. Guys, the sun in Nairobi is equally as perfect as the sun in Kampala. One thing is for sure, I'm going to enjoy today to the maximum. So today I'm expecting to go to KICC. I'm going to go to Two Rivers to try the go-karting there. I'm going to try a few food. I'm going to go to do bowling later in the night, and I definitely want you guys to spend the day with me as a Ugandan exploring Nairobi, Kenya. So if you're thinking of coming to Nairobi anytime, I definitely think you should save this video. Also share it with a friend who might be coming to Nairobi anytime, because here is a few things you could actually do in Nairobi, Kenya. Like there are cameras everywhere, like as if it's a gig. There's a camera there, and there's another camera in front there. It feels like, yeah, tripod, sorry. It feels like, did people used to do this in Kampala those days? It doesn't feel like you're walking through just any African street or any Ugandan street. But you guys seeing what I'm telling you now. Look at all these cameras here. There's a camera there. All these guys, photographers, tripods, content creators. It's like a content creator hub. Yeah. So there is the Nairobi City Council Assembly right over there. And about now, I am actually going to the Kenyatta International Convention Centre, which is on this side. So they are opposite each other. Yeah. You know, the whole time I came in Nairobi, there's that one video I wanted to create of like the buildings and everywhere and the views here. And I have been told I would actually be able to see those views from here. So yeah, that's where we are going. Guys, I heard that Nairobi is actually the New York of Africa. So to best understand that, I had to come down here all the way to Kenya to actually prove that for myself. Though one thing is for sure, to actually prove that, you have to see Nairobi from above. There are two options, and here is one option for you. So you guys, we are going up there to actually get the views of Nairobi. So yeah, this is where we are now. So guys, that is the quickest 27 floors of my life. Literally, you have to come up 27 floors, then the other 3 you have to climb up. We took the lift up to the 27th floor, and then from there we took stairs to the 3 more floors. And finally, I can see Nairobi. Oh my god, you guys! This is so pretty! Can you guys tell how excited I am? Oh, I thought we had reached. Guess what? We still have one more floor. This is what they even say. This is the New York of Africa. You guys. Oh God. I definitely did not know that I needed to see Nairobi from above, because oh my good Lord, you guys, what is this? Now, right about now, I am having the 360 view of Kenya's capital, Nairobi. right here at the rooftop of the KICC, Kenyatta International Convention Centre, Unlimited, guys. It is beautiful. And guess what? I am not alone. I am actually here with very many people from all over the world. I'm seeing East Africans from everywhere. I'm seeing, there are people from everywhere. Like, it's not only Africans, there are East Africans. I'm seeing people from other parts of Africa, people from other parts of the world, and they are all here. And fun fact, it's actually not as expensive as the other option that I gave you guys from the beginning. So yeah, let me show you guys what you would actually be seeing if you are here at the rooftop of KICC, or also a helipad where you can actually do proposals, engagements. There's also photographers so you can take pictures and capture a moment right here. So let's see what's up. You know, guys, to navigate this city, I've been using Uber the whole time. I have left KICC, so we are heading to Two Rivers. I want to try go-karting from there. So let's do a little city tour from here as we go there, okay? So you guys, this park right here, you can actually smoke publicly. You are allowed to smoke in this park publicly. So which other places do they allow people to smoke at?
There are so many places inside the city.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's nice for smokers. you know, I feel like Ugandans would be happy to have a place where they know they're going to find fellow smokies. Yeah. When it comes to jam, I think Nairobi and Kampala, or in any way, I think it is a common characteristics for all capital cities. Because yes, literally 1, 2, 3, you're finding jam everywhere. All these matatus. I hope I get a chance to actually. Oh guys, there's a matatu here. And you guys, you know what is interesting is the caricatures. Yeah, the cartoons on them. Look at this. This is Sonic. Yeah. So cute. So you guys, the excitement on my face, you might think this is the first time I'm actually in Nairobi, Kenya. But unfortunately, it's not even the first time. I've been to Nairobi so many times, but only problem is every time I come to Nairobi, I'm like passing through, connecting to like Mombasa, Diani, Ife. So like today is the first time I have properly given it time. And oh boy, this is beautiful. I didn't expect to see this because I'm literally always in Kilimani, Kileleshwa, just sleeping. I've actually, even the first days when I was here, the first few days when I was here, I was just sleeping. But yeah, it's actually good to explore, giving it time. Because if there's something I'm actually considering is, let me not say that, you guys might jinx me. Now, if you guys realize something I've actually realized about Nairobi is these flyovers. These flyovers are pretty much common in this city, even when it is just a new tradition or a new culture we're just adopting in Kampala. But you see them almost everywhere. And it's so organized. You're not even seeing posters anywhere, you're not seeing anything. Like, it's actually pretty. Welcome to Two Rivers. This is interesting. Can you guys see the artwork on the wall? This is something interesting to me. This is actually pretty. This is beautiful. It's like mosaic. The artwork is in mosaics and I just know that helps. Two Rivers. There's an even prettier one here. guys, we are already at Two Rivers. But now I'm first looking for food because we are hungry. It is currently, wait a minute, it is currently, you know guys, I'm trying to find my, I think this is the most thoughtful I've actually seen. This mall actually has a prayer place. I have not seen one in Uganda that is like this. As we had lunch from somewhere there, it was called Cinnamon. I was so hungry to record for you guys what I had for lunch. But now I want to try this right here. Yeah, so let's try cutting in Nairobi. From down, record from down. Down. Kali. Now just this is all for the Two Rivers. Generally it is just a mall. But then I love this. I love these. This is the playground and everything that is going on. I definitely want to try the cutting next time I am here. But it's getting a little bit late and I wanted to do something else for tonight. So yeah. Meanwhile, you guys, I want to get something to wear for tomorrow. So we are going to go and try this. So check this out and see what looks good, what does not fit, what fits, because that's my biggest problem, what fits, because of the pants. Yesterday I was in MRP and most of the 44s weren't fitting, so I hope these ones fit. And yeah, I think this navy blue would actually be a good fit for tomorrow, so let's go check it out. Oh my god, you guys, this fits so well. Let me show you. Wait a minute. So are you guys seeing this? Oh my good lord. Yeah, so see, you can see how these are doing this. Let me do this. So yeah, the fit here down is good. Oh my god, you God. So this is how it looks like. I love those pods over there. So yeah, so it looks like generally. Then obviously this is the rest of the rooftop. There are other facilities up. Apparently you can take a lift to 2 more floors upstairs. That's where there is alloy, so I'm going to upload a video of alloy as well. It might be before this one or after this one, so please just go check it out. I'm going to link it in the video now, so you guys can just go check it out. But for the meantime, I guess that is it. Okay, let's wait for our drink and 30 minutes to pass. update you, we were still having that drink, and then they sent us the message to actually come this side for bowling. Our turn is ready, so we might as well just start now. Yeah. You guys, I think it is only right for me to end that day with a scoop of ice cream. If you've watched this far, thank you so much for watching our vlog. If you like this video, if you like what you're seeing here, don't forget to subscribe, because I do more content about traveling to Kenya. So for any time you need an itinerary, you can just check out the playlist, my Kenyan bucket list. You can check and find anything you need to know about Kenya, or actually most places. For most of the things I've not posted, I actually already posted them on TikTok and Instagram. Just started Twitter and Instagram. I'm going to put the links down below in the description. You guys can actually go and check me out from there. So yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.